Good morning, traders. This is the day the Lord has made. We shall rejoice and be glad in it indeed. Today is the 18th of September. Yesterday we made an analysis of how the market is supposed to come into this blue zone. As I explained, this was where the average daily range high was for yesterday. So we managed to move from here yesterday until there. That was we had almost 100 pips that we moved yesterday, and now today we are expecting the market to start falling from where it is into this zone, going down to a data low, average daily range low. So it moved 100 pips yesterday, and we are waiting for today from where the market touched to where it's supposed to touch another approximately 90 to 100 pips. So we are looking at another 100 pips today selling. The market has been ranging, as I mentioned yesterday, that the market has been ranging. It's been going up and down within the same zone when you look at it from the daily chart. So when you are trading like 15-minute chart or 5-minute chart or 1-hour chart, you are able to catch these moves every day. So that's what we are looking at, the market to repeat itself today. From where it is, we are waiting 90 to 100 pips going down. So our range for today, we are moving from where it has started to there. Alright, so today I'm selling the market. I'm going down with it until it reaches there. So you can, as I said, you can practice this on your demo account just to test these strategies. If you had entered my analysis yesterday, let's say with one standard lot size, you'd have made $900 with this move. So here you are expected to make $900 to $1,000 with this move also. So hope this helps. Any question, just write it down in that comment section, and I will be able to reply to you. If there is anything that you would want to understand from this analysis, just write down in the comments, and I'll check. I keep checking and reply to you and answer you. Alright, so this is Herbert signing out this morning. I'll keep giving you updates of this analysis for the sale of Gbp Usd and Euro USD. Alright, so let's make money today. God bless you. Have a happy trading day. Bye.